A cartridge filter is made up of several folds of material that keep pool water clean by trapping debris and grime. Over time, the folds become overloaded and restrict the water flow. You may need to replace your cartridge when the folds are very worn or damaged. Before you remove the old cartridge, turn your shutoff valves to the proper position so that the water flow is stopped from both the skimmer and return sides. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or some rags. Unscrew the black cap located at the bottom of the filter using your hands or a flathead screwdriver for leverage. This will neatly drain the trapped water and prevent messy spills as you separate the top from the bottom. Next, remove the top of the filter. Reach underneath the handles located on each side of the black ring located at the middle of the tank. Push in the tabs while turning the black ring until the top of the filter loosens from the bottom. Lift the top off to expose the filter. Carefully lift and slide the cartridge out of the holder. The filter will be heavy since it is still soaked with pool water. Place the old cartridge off to the side and unwrap the new cartridge, making sure to remove all plastic. Next, place the new cartridge into the filter housing, making sure the embossed side is facing upwards. Make sure it is properly centered and not leaning to one side. Replace the filter top by lining up the top with the bottom half. Hold down the tabs underneath the handles and turn the top until both pieces are secured to one another. Your filter is now secured and your cartridge is ready to use. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.